Okay, so here we are. I think it's day 3. I don't know, I'm getting so confused already. But down here behind me, see if I can show you what I have here, is this pile. Let me flip you around. Hold on. I have this pile that I told you about yesterday that I wanted to go through. It has all kinds of goodies in it that I don't think I want to get rid of, but maybe I probably should. But there's so many cool things in here. I've got all these different background pieces that I made. Of course, here's the embellishments. I don't want to get rid of those, obviously. Different pieces that I made on my Cricut that I keep telling myself I might be able to use. I've even got pictures. Oh my gosh, that's old. That's me getting married 48 years ago. Can you believe it? Anyway, I don't know why that's even in there. Anyway, so there's all kinds of ephemera and bits and pieces. Look, here's another background piece. I'm pretty sure I can use that. I'm going to put that over here in this background pile. Here's another one. Something that I started and I didn't like the way it was going, so I threw it to the side, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking that doesn't look so bad. So let's keep that over there in the background pile. Oh, look, there's my daughter getting married. All right, funny side story. That's me and my sister-in-law. She was my maid of honor. That's my daughter and my sister-in-law's daughter, who was her maid of honor. So I thought it'd be fun to put a scrapbook page together with those two mother and daughter pictures on them. Anyway, I digress. So, like I said, I've just got all kinds of stuff in here. The photos. Do you ever do that? Do you print out photos? And either they're the wrong size or they don't come out right. You don't think you're going to use them, but you hate to throw them away because they're photos. Oh, look at that. I have to put that in something. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that photo. All right. I have to stop that. So here I go through. Here's all these papers and different, again, print and cut things that I did on Cricut. I really need to go through here and dig through here and make real quick piles of all this stuff. So that's kind of what I'm stuck on right now, because once I make the piles, I'm not sure where I want to put that, but I need to stop and just very quickly go through them. Okay, I'm making some headway. This box is almost empty. You want to see a real quick way of how to organize that stuff? Watch this. Boom, in the trash. I don't need it. I can make more. Those pieces were just too little to hang on to. I know, don't have a heart attack because I threw some things away. All right, let's start on this one. I'm not throwing those away. Those are too stinking cute. I just made a video on how to make those print and cut embellishments. This is too tiny. I'm not going to do anything with that. Boom, in the trash it goes. All right, how about this? A leaf. I don't know. Am I going to use that? Probably not. Let me see what I got in here. Oh, look, here's some dots. Yeah, I don't want to throw those away. We'll put those over there in that pile. All right, here's some titles and things. Let's put them over here real quick because I can come back and look at those again later. Here's a pretty little flower embellishment. Here, plain old butterfly. Probably not going to use that. Or that die cut leaf. I don't even know where it came from. This is a cute little embellishment though. I want to hang on to that. I don't know what pile to put that in yet, so I'll just put it there. Stamped image. Let's put it there. Look at this one. That's too tiny to do anything with. That'll get thrown away. All right, I'm going to continue going through this and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Here's some more. Some die cut pieces. This is something I made for my Cricut. Let's put that there. Here's some stamped images. Let's put those there with some flowers. This little die cut piece, I don't need that. We throw that away. Here's a title I made and then decided not to use it, but it still looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I like it still. All right, let's put that over there. Here's another title I made on Cricut and decided not to use. I don't know why. It looks pretty nice. Let's throw it over here in this box for now. Okay, here's some stuff that I colored. Let's let's just throw that over here in this pile for now. And here's something, cute paper, but am I really going to go dig for that and see where it belongs? No, I don't think so. All right, in the trash it goes. Another piece in the trash. All right, same with these. You guys are going to die, but guess what? They're too small to keep and to go looking for. In the trash. Make room for new. Out with the old and in with the new. All right, now next we got to open up this box. So now I'm in this container, and there are some really pretty embellishments that I made for scrapbook layout, but again didn't end up using them. Some pretty florals. I'm just going to put them all in this tray, and some leaves. I'm not too worried about if I get rid of them because I have the digital file that they came from, and I can remake them in the colors that I want. All right, look, I don't even know what is all this stuff. Some really pretty stuff, but do I ever really go through all this and look for these tiny little pieces that I may or may not need? No, I do not. Let's put that over there. That's a nice piece. Whole lot of teeny tiny things. I just got to do this quick. Oh, here's one more leaf. Let's put that over there. Oh, this is a cute little flower. Let's put that over there. All right, so guess what? Yeah, I'm not going through any more of that. It's going right over here. Okay, we're making quick work of these piles. Now I got to open this box. I'm kind of dreading doing that. Okay, so here we go. We're in this box. I've got more die cut pieces. Let's put that over there. Here's a picture. I've got it matted and all set to go, but then you know what? I realized that I had already done a scrapbook page with this exact photo, so I already had it matted and ready to go, but again, I hate to throw it away. All right, so here's some more envelopes with unfinished cards. Probably did them with my, I do card clubs here and card classes, and I usually have some extras, and I always think I'm going to redo them, so I'm just going to put that aside. And what I'm going to do with this pre-cut base piece, I'm putting pieces over here in this container that are like about 4 by 5 1/4, and those will be good pieces to reach if I need something for my big shot right there. You need those pieces about that size already. All right, here's another print and cut Christmas tree I did. I'm going to throw that in there. Oh, here's the card base already scored and folded. Let's pull that out and put that over here with all the other scored card bases. Oh, good, another envelope I can put away in my package. Remember that from yesterday? All right, this needs to be filed. It's a workshop guide from a Close to My Heart kit, so that needs to be filed. Okay, almost at the end of this box. Ooh, look at this. This is a pretty background paper I can use. Let's put that over there with those background pieces that we had. Let's see, a piece of black. Let's put that over there with the die cut pieces. Let's see, this looks like just some pieces of ephemera. Let's put that over here in this pile. This trash. Well, that looks pretty cool. I don't want to throw it away, but I might have to. I'm putting it there for now. All right. Oh, this is a Christmas card. I was making some Christmas cards for my mom one year to hand out. I don't want it. Throw it away. Sorry, Mom. You already had those cards. All right, another envelope. Oh, look. Oh, I'm definitely giving that to my mom. She loves anything with bees, so we're going to set that aside. All right, oh, here's a totally made up Christmas card. I need to file that, so let's put that away over there for right now. Okay, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I got all those piles cleared out, and they've been sitting around on my desk for a while. I kept thinking, I'm going to get to them. I'm going to get them. I don't want to throw it out. I'm going to use this stuff. But yeah, you know how that goes. So here's the pieces and parts that I still do like, but I'm just too lazy to put them away. So that's the way it goes. I'm not going to throw them away, though. Hang tight, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do in just a second. And then over here, I've got all those embellishments, different brads and sequins and things like that. I do have a place to hang those all up. Let me swing over here, I'll show you. I've got this sticker carousel, and I will hang those up there. That won't take me very long, but I will do that. Now that I've got them all out and in a group, I can hang those up really quick. Now, I've got 3 piles here. Very random, lots of cute little things. So what I thought I would do is send them to you. So here's what you have to do. All right, let me turn around and I'll tell you what we're going to do. All right, so what I thought I would do is, how about this? How about the first 3 people that place a minimum $35 order on my website will receive one of those random miscellaneous packages of my handcrafted embellishments that I'm too lazy to put away. So you're actually doing me a favor. So all you have to do is go to my website, link down below, place a minimum $35 order. And today's a great day to do it because we just came out with our brand new mini seasonal catalog. Hang on, let me show you that in just a second. Okay, so here's the mini seasonal catalog, and that just came out on September 4th, so you can now order from that. And of course, if you don't have one, you can see that online. And then the other nice thing, let me show you this one here. It's a digital brochure. Whoops, sorry, I got my hand in the way. Hold on. All right, so this is our digital brochure of our new scrapbooking line of products. It's marketed for scrapbooking, but it can be used for obviously any kind of paper crafting. So, and this brochure can be found online. These products can be found online. So I will put my website down below. So the first 3 people that place a $35 order or more, you will receive one of those packets of embellishments as my thank you to you for helping me out. And like I said, the website and everything will be linked down below. All right, so I think that does it for me for today. I feel pretty good about what I got done and accomplished today, and I'm looking around my room thinking, I think maybe I should tackle, let me show you, maybe I should tackle the paper over here in the corner. Thinking I need to tackle this pile. It's not too bad, but it could use a little bit of work. And I guess my husband just told me it's trash day, so I need to take that trash out. So I am thinking that I need to tackle that, but as I was thinking about it, I need to order some more paper keepers. I don't like all these plastic bags hanging out of here. And in my cupboard, we'll zoom over here real quick. I have these paper keepers that I ordered from Amazon, and I need to order some more. And I think that's what I want to put all this paper in here. So until those come, I have to have another plan for my organization for tomorrow. So stay tuned. I do have something in my mind, and I think it's going to be something about layouts and how to store them. So be sure you watch that tomorrow. For more crafty inspiration, be sure to click the video on screen and don't forget to subscribe.